Well, hi there, pluckers. I've Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed. Thanks for joining me for another guitar lesson. Another one for you Bryan fans. I've had several requests for this in the past, and I've just finally got around to doing this one with my backlog of requests. Okay, and it's a song called Wild One. Okay, I can't find any words online for this song, so I'm just going to play along with Bryan for a short time and break it down and show you exactly how I played it all. It's very simple, it's very straightforward. Okay, so let's get to it.
I can tell you're a wild one. I can see it in your eye. I can tell you've been beaten down by the fear and the love knows why. I can tell that you're a far cry from those boys in town. Oh, they all talk so damn tough, and I'm around. I can tell you're a wild one.
Well, there you have it.
A diamond in.
That's it all the way through. It just repeats more of the same. Okay, so there's basically standard tuning, capo on the first fret. Okay, puts us in the same key and everything that Bryan plays the song in. And as far as I can tell, there's only 3 chords in this song. Okay, the first one is an E minor 7th, which is basically played in this. You've got an E minor, but I'm playing it with my first and second fingers. Okay, so an E minor, but my other 2 fingers are playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd string from the capo, 3rd fret from the capo on the 2nd string and the top E string. Okay, and you keep those fingers there for the whole 3 chords. Okay, so they stay put all the way through the song basically. Okay, it's from the rhythm side. So you've got your E minor, and that becomes an E minor 7th now. Okay, with those 2 fingers down here. Okay, then we play a C added 9th, and keeping these 2 fingers where they are on the 1st and 2nd strings, put your first finger on the 2nd fret from the capo on the 4th string, the D string, and the 2nd finger on the 3rd fret from the capo on the 5th string, the A string. It should sound like that from 5 down to 1. Right, don't bother with the 6th string. Okay, and the 3rd chord is basically a G. Okay, 4-fingered G. So just move these 2 fingers up a string. So that first finger is now on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, A string, and the 2nd finger is on the 3rd fret of the bottom E string. These 2 fingers stay where they were, and you've got 4-fingered G, right? So the song starts off with E minor 7th, C added 9th, G. Again, just repeat. Said you were a wild one. Do. Got the idea? It's very simple. Okay, does that all the way through the song. Occasionally he does just single strums. That sort of thing. Some of the song, as he usually does with a lot of his songs. Single strums occasionally. And the only other thing I can show you really is if you've got a 2nd guitarist with you, the lead bits are that sort of thing. It's just on the 3rd string on the 4th fret down to the 2nd fret, open 3rd string. Sliding up to 4th fret from the 2nd fret. That sort of thing, eh? occasionally he goes to that third fret on the second string, so it's that sort of thing goes in there occasionally as well. But that's basically it. Okay, just play around with that. That's lead work is very similar all the way through. Okay, so there you have it. I can't show you any more for that one. Okay, thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next video.